If you like to wirelessly stream music, podcasts and audiobooks from mobile devices like a smartphone or tablet, you will want a speaker that supports Bluetooth connectivity. Unlike speakers with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth compatible speakers don't rely on an internet connection to stream audio. As a result, they tend to be more portable, and many also have an outdoor-oriented design with carrying straps or water-resistant bodies. However, finding the best Bluetooth speaker comes down to what matters most to you. With so many Bluetooth speakers on the market, you have lots of options for finding a device that meets your unique needs. So hey guys, in this video we are going to show you 5 best Bluetooth speakers you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion, research and the popularity of the product. We sort this list according to its price and features. We have included options for every type of user. If you are searching for budget best Bluetooth speaker, then we'll list the product for you. If you wanted to buy one of these products or wanted to check updated price of any products, you can check the links in the description. So let's get started. The fifth product in our list is Tribit Stormbox Micro Bluetooth Speaker. Tribit Stormbox Micro is one of the best sounding pocket-sized Bluetooth speakers I have tested. With a bigger bass and volume than most other tiny speakers, aside from its great design, Bose SoundLink Micro stood out because it was able to deliver more bass than every Bluetooth speaker in its size class. And it also managed to have limited distortion at higher volumes. And it is the Tribit's bass and overall volume level for its tiny size that allows it to stand out. It's IP67 dust-proof and water-resistant. It can be fully submerged in shallow water for a short time and has up to 8 hours of battery life at moderate volume levels with USB-C charging. Like the Bose, this portable Bluetooth speaker has an integrated strap so you can clip it to your backpack or bike's handlebars. The fourth product in our list is Ultimate Ears Wonderbomb 2. We liked Ultimate Ears' original Wonderbomb Bluetooth speaker, which sounded good for its compact speaker size and was also waterproof. Now the company has released a Wonderbomb 2, which is a tough bigger than the original and sounds slightly better for streaming your favorite music, with more bass and a special outdoor boost mode that boosts treble. Like its predecessor, the fully waterproof Wonderbomb 2 with Bluetooth connection carries a list price of $100, but often sells for less. What's different is the IP67 rating. That means it is dust-proof, more shock resistant and also able to float. This Bluetooth device also has 30% better battery life, lasting up to 13 hours at moderate volume levels, according to Ultimate Ears, and you can link two together to create a stereo sound pairing by pressing a button on each speaker. The third product in our list is Ultimate Ears Wonderbomb Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The best Bluetooth speaker in the budget category that we have tested is the Ultimate Ears Wonderbomb 2. This small, well-built model has an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, though we don't currently test for this. It lasts for over 12 hours of a single charge, so it is well suited for long listening sessions. It has a pretty neutral sound profile out of the box, though it lacks a lot of low bass. However, its outdoor EQ mode can add a bit more bass to your audio, though we don't test for this. It can play stereo content and it has an outstanding 360-degree sound stage, so you are really immersed in your favorite music. Unfortunately, it doesn't have voice assistant support. Also, like many small speakers, it doesn't get very loud, so it may not be the best choice for use at parties or in large crowded rooms. However, it still offers a very versatile overall performance for a more affordable price. The second product in our list is Bose SoundLink Revolve Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The best speaker with Bluetooth connectivity that you can bring on the go is the Bose SoundLink Revolve. This small lightweight speaker is battery operated, so you can bring it outdoors without having to worry about plugging it into an outlet. It also has an IPX4 rating for dust and water resistance, though we don't currently test for this. It has a neutral balanced sound profile that suits many different types of music genres, though the lack of low bass can be disappointing for fans of bass-heavy genres like hip-hop. Also, it is a 360-degree system, so it has a large open sound stage that can immerse you in your favorite music. With a battery life of over 12 hours, it is well suited for long listening sessions in the park. Unfortunately, like many small speakers, it struggles to get very loud, and there is also some compression present when you play it at max volume. Also, it doesn't offer any sound customization features to help adjust its sound to your liking. However, if you want a sturdy speaker that you can bring out on your patio or to a picnic with friends, it is a solid choice. The number one product in our list is Sonos Move Bluetooth Speaker. The best Bluetooth speaker that we have tested is the Sonos Move. This well-built speaker has built built-in Alexa and Google Assistant capabilities, and it does an incredible job responding to your voice even if you are not very close to the speaker. It is battery operated, so you can bring it outdoors, and it has an IP56 rating for dust and water resistance, though we don't currently test for this. Overall, it has a balanced neutral sound profile suitable for listening to lots of different types of audio content. There are even bass and treble adjustments available in the Sonos S2 app to help you customize its sound. You can use the app to pair two Sonos speakers to create a stereo pair or to amplify your music across a large crowded party. This speaker lasts over 10 hours of a single charge, which should be suitable for long listening sessions. Unfortunately, while it can get pretty loud, there are a lot of compression artifacts present when you play it at max volume, which can be disappointing if you like to use your speaker at crowded parties. Also, it has to downmix stereo content to mono to play it, which doesn't sound as immersive. That said, it offers a versatile overall performance that can please lots of different listeners. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.